In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Code with Cursor in VS Code for AI-assisted development. First, we'll get the editor ready. Head to the official Visual Studio Code website, download the installer for your operating system, install it, and open VS Code. This will be our main workspace where we write and manage code. Next, we'll install the Claude Code command line tools. On macOS or Linux, open Terminal and run the install script from claude.com by piping the installer to bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run the installer command provided by claude.com. When it finishes, confirm it worked by typing claude space -- version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. If not, make sure your shell session refreshed or try reopening your terminal. Now let's bring Cursor into VS Code. In VS Code, open the extensions view with Control or Command plus Shift plus X. Search for Cursor AI. Install the extension and reload VS Code when prompted. This gives you a sidebar and command access to AI inside your editor. With Cursor installed, connect it to Claude Code, open the Cursor sidebar, go to Settings, then Model, choose Claude Code as the backend, and enter your API key from your Claude account. Save and connect. From now on, Cursor's AI features will be powered by Claude Code. Let's open a project to work in. Create a new folder for your code, navigate into it in your terminal, and run code space dot to open it in VS Code. Keep things organized in folders. That becomes especially helpful for multi-file reasoning and larger apps. You can now use Claude through Cursor. Open any file, press Command or Control plus Shift plus P, search for Cursor, ask AI, and type a clear prompt. For example, generate a React login page with email and password validation using Tailwind CSS. Claude Code will write directly into your file, so review suggestions and iterate as needed. If you're working across many files, consider enabling MCP for multi-file memory. In your terminal, run Claude space MCP space init space -- context space 7, then Claude space MCP space load space / your project folder. This helps Claude remember project